Life is full of questions. Why am I here? Why do I feel empty, even when I have everything? What happens after death? If you've ever asked these questions, you are not alone. Billions of people search for answers, and many of them have found peace in Islam. Islam teaches that life is not an accident. You are not here by chance. You were created by Allah, the one true God, with love and wisdom. Your purpose? To know Him, worship Him, and live a life of meaning. When you live with purpose, the emptiness disappears, and peace takes its place. Allah is the God of all, the God of Adam, Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and Muhammad, peace be upon them. He is not far away. He is closer to you than your heartbeat. He listens when you call, forgives when you repent, and loves you more than anyone else ever could. In Islam, you don't need a priest, a temple, or money to reach God. You just raise your hands, and He hears you. Islam gives us a system to live with peace, shahada, to believe in one God and His messenger. This gives clarity. Salah, to pray 5 times a day. This keeps you calm and connected. Zakat, to give charity. This builds compassion and justice. Saum, to fast in Ramadan. This teaches patience and self-control. Hajj, to visit Makkah, where millions unite as one human family. These are not empty rituals. They solve problems of loneliness, greed, stress, and division. Muslims believe in 6 things: Allah, the one true God, His angels, His revealed books like the Torah, Gospel, and Quran, His prophets, the Day of Judgment, and that everything happens with Allah's knowledge. These beliefs give answers to big questions. Where did I come from? Why am I here? Where am I going? Every year, thousands accept Islam. They say, I finally feel peace. I finally found answers. I finally feel connected to God. People choose Islam because it is simple, logical, and pure. It doesn't matter who you are or where you come from, Islam welcomes you. Islam is not just rules, it is peace, mercy, and love. The Quran